So hello everyone, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine. This is your Arindam sir and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Revision Learning. So guys, we have done the most important daily current affairs of 1st and 2nd June. So today we will go through the important current affairs of 3rd and 4th June together. So without wasting any time, let's start the most important daily current affairs of 3rd and 4th June 2020. The RBI has approved the extension of tenure for Lakshmi Vilas Bank's MD and CEO Subramaniam Sundar by 6 months. Indian boxer Amit Panghal and Vikas Krishnan has been nominated for the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Awards. Rajasthan government will appoint Swasth Mitras in all villages to advise people against falling into any kind of addiction. Indian batsman and vice captain Rohit Sharma has signed with the IIFL Finance as its first ever brand ambassador. Punjab Chief Minister Amarinder Singh has launched a month-long awareness campaign to spread mass awareness about the COVID-19 pandemic. So from here we can find the name of the Punjab CM Amarinder Singh. CB George, an Indian Foreign Service officer, has been appointed in India's next ambassador to Kuwait. He is at present India's ambassador in Switzerland. Dr. R. Chandrasekharan has been appointed as the first permanent director of Central Institute of Classical Tamil (CICT). Uber is ensuring contactless car entry and exit for riders. Now this is just for the general information that the full form of UNSC is the United Nations Security Council. India has moved down from 17th position in 2019 to 23rd position in 2020 out of the top 100 countries. Facebook and Saregama announced a global deal to license its music for video and other social experiences across Facebook and Instagram. The central government has approved Rs 812 crore for implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission in Odisha for 2020-21 session. World Bicycle Day is observed on 3rd June every year. Moody's Investors Service, Moody's, downgraded India's sovereign rating on 1st June. The CM of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, on 2nd June 2020 launched a mobile app to help people how many beds are lying vacant in which hospital in the national capital. A web page has also been created, www.delhifightscorona.in, to provide the latest status of the vacant beds in the hospitals. Centre approved Rs 255 crore for Arunachal Pradesh under Jal Jeevan Mission in 2020-21 session. Researchers at the Defence Institute of Advanced Technology (DIAT) in Pune have developed an artificial intelligence-enabled COVID-19 detection tool. It uses chest X-rays of patients to identify the infection. Jammu DC Sushma Chauhan has formally launched IT-enabled solutions with applications of mobile. Adesh Kumar Gupta is the new chief of BJP's party Delhi unit. He replaced Manoj Tiwari. Health Ministry has released a rap song on its website exhorting people not to split in public places as COVID-19 can spread through saliva. Now let's come to the most important daily current affairs of 4th June 2020. Uday Kotak, MD and CEO of Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited, took over as the President of the Confederation of Indian Industry (CII). The Union Cabinet has given its approval for signing the Memorandum of Understanding with the Royal Government of Bhutan on cooperation in the areas of the environment. The Union Cabinet has approved the renaming of Kolkata Port Trust as Shama Prasad Mukherjee Port Trust. SpaceX launched 60 new Starlink Internet satellites into orbit using another Falcon 9. SpaceX is an American aerospace manufacturer and space transportation services company. The headquarters is in California. Sushil Kumar Singhal has been appointed as the next Indian High Commissioner to Papua New Guinea. NBA Hall of Famer Wes Unseld has passed away. Twitter has appointed ex-Google Chief Financial Officer (CFO) Patrick Pichette as the company's new chairman of the board. Centre allocated Rs 3 lakh crore to provide easy loans for the micro, small and medium enterprises (MSME), and PM Narendra Modi held India-Australia Virtual Summit with his Australian counterpart Scott Morrison on 4th June 2020. The Union Cabinet has approved the Farmers Protection and Empowerment Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Services Ordinance 2020. The first French Dassault Aviation's Rafale fighters to join IAF by the end of July 2020. Shares of Tata Power acquired 51% stake in the Tata Power Central Odisha Distribution Limited for Rs 178.5 crore. Union Sports Minister Kiren Rijiju on June 1, 2020 inaugurated the first Khelo India Physical Education and Community Coaching Program. R.K. Singh, the Minister of State Power and New and Renewable Energy, has launched Pan-India Real-Time Market in Electricity. Government has launched a new initiative, Swadesh, Skilled Workers Arrival Database for Employment Support. International Day of Innocent Children Victims of Aggression is observed on June 4 every year. Ipshita Dasgupta joins Apple as India Country Manager. The government has launched a Rs 50,000 crore plan to spice up electronics manufacturing within the nation. The Modi government has released a 92-page booklet, 1 Year of Modi 2.0 Towards a Self-Reliant India, highlighting its key achievements during the second term. So that's it for guys today. We will bring up all the important daily current affairs of 5th June. Till then, stay safe and subscribe to Revision Learning. And don't forget to press the bell icons to stay updated with the channel. Thank you for watching.